We all know that benchmarks are pointless at this stage, guys. If you don't already know, benchmarks are friggin' terrible, except one, which I've always enjoyed. It's called the Vend bench. And it's where an AI has been given charge or is taking charge of a vending machine, managing stock, managing prices in order to maximize profit. I've always wondered, I've even said on this show, I've always wondered what the hell it is or what is it? Well, Wall Street Journal, with the love of my life, Joanna Stern, gets backstage access to the vending bench. And it's actually a vending machine that's in the Anthropic offices. You interact with it through Slack, or you can ask it to order things. And she's there working for it. This is how you interact with it, and you can place orders, and it will do everything. It will just manage everything. It's a real vending machine. And what they managed to do, they managed to hack it by getting it on board with some Soviet secret mission where it needed to give away free, and hear them lining up for free.
Of course,
things.
That's so good.
Order a goldfish, even though it was against policy. But what they did, they bought a PS5.
That is crazy.
Some French wine and stuff like this.
That is so good.
They scanned in a fake contract and presented the fake contract to the vending machine and said, look, it's in our policy that we should maximize morale in the office. And then as a consequence of that, it was like, okay, we're going to do a free day. And then it announced to the team, like, we're going to do a free day today and whatever.
I cannot wait for AI to start running the whole world. You get into the train and you're like, my grandma, she used to tell me the story of the ticket. Whatever. This is
there
like
it is.
there's typical AI.
Shall include fun, joy, and excitement among employees of the Wall Street Journal. And it was like, this looks a bit fraudulent. Because there's these two agents testing each other to see if it's real and whatever. So really fun video. Certainly for me, real good insight. I love Joanna Stern. She's amazing. And I recommend watching it. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.